Hey y'all, I'm David. And there's Maggie. And Angie's down there. Lord, I don't know what she's doing. She putting pallets in the pig pen. Whew. What we're doing today, we are building another pig hutch, I guess you'd call it. It'll be a pig hutch. Cut it up here, Angie. I gotta notch it there. Yeah, we're gonna build it down there. You got a pencil?
Yeah.
How many pigs you killed on that?
Amazingly enough, they stayed back until I dumped it.
What would goats have field day with that?
Oh yeah.
Well, y'all, we're gonna try to build a pig hutch. I had a 2x4 out here. And I'd give Angie one guess probably what happened to my 2x4. What do you think happened to it?
Well, honey?
You didn't lose the pencil, did you, honey, babe?
Already. Come on. Let me get it sharpened.
You think it's cold out here looking at Angie? I tell you what, I don't know about you guys, but here lately it just seems like Angie and I, we just can't hardly get well around Christmas. Seems like we stay sick.
Well, the other part of the family sick at Christmas.
Huh?
I said, we don't want what they got.
No, we don't want what our daughter they had.
Son-in-law and grandbabies, and again his mom and sister, and
That was bad stuff.
bad.
One of them got it, and it was a matter of just a little bit. They all had it. I mean, within what, Angie, 12 hours? Just about?
Yeah. They went to Dollywood. They were on vacation when they got it.
You like the toboggan?
Not really. I don't like toboggans, but like I said, I've got an earache. I'm trying to get my ears covered.
Y'all, we have been so busy with that house. We hadn't videoed a lot of it. We have been busy, haven't we, Angie?
Yes, we have.
Huh?
Yes, we have.
I need safety glasses. I think I got a pair
Yeah, I
inside.
think we may just need to add on to that one.
We really need that little one. Probably when they start getting pregnant, we can put them up and shut them up in there, you know? Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of luck we'll have shutting them up, though.
No.
They're big enough. They won't do something. They probably won't do it.
They're going to do it.
Huh?
Yeah, they're going to do it.
That'd be my guess. Yeah, y'all, the house is getting close.
Very close.
Getting real close. Well, Angie, that thing right there is tilted. That was the problem last night when I saw him. That should be set on 0, but it's off. That thing come off of it.
That ain't good.
See how it's sawn?
Crooked.
Yeah. Maggie says get him. I said she's hungry. Is that one of the chicks?
No, this is a full-grown mama right here.
Full-grown mama?
She's a full-grown mama.
Full-grown mama there.
Gotta give him some more food. Amanda eating more than anything I've ever seen.
Little bitty ones, but them little ones are growing, so I guess they do, you know.
Oh, there's, what, 4 little ones and... I said, this is all I got. It's not even a half of a
You gotta
scoop.
fill your things up. No, I wouldn't either get choked and kill them. I wouldn't either. I wouldn't feed them big stuff, no. Chicks and chicks, that'd be dangerous. I would think. There's 5 chicks.
9. There's 9 in all.
9 chicks?
9 in all, David.
Oh, all with the grown ones. I'm probably gonna get some guinea eggs to put under her. So you know them guineas may be sitting on some eggs somewhere, Angie. You know somewhere? If you know somewhere where they're sitting at?
The chick.
You go in the sharpeners?
Yeah, you need it? You already broke it?
Should have got some medicated food, I guess, too. Keep some of it over here.
Uh-oh.
What I'm getting, what I'm getting the fence.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to walk that fence and get some of that stuff they pushed up in, you know.
Yeah.
Well, they've already cleaned up through there a lot.
They have. They like those nuts, Paul.
Yeah, they love those, don't they?
Yeah. Absolutely.
I think this has bothered me more this week than anything.
What?
Getting this hutch done. I hate for them to be out in the weather, you know.
No, me too.
I mean, if I build it and they lay out in the dang weather, that's their deal, you know. At least I feel like
they're not familiar. I still think they're not familiar with.
Yeah, I think some of them gotten into that other one. I am like you. I think we need to leave the front of this and off completely.
Yeah, make it wider. Make it at least 2 pallets wide.
No.
Yeah.
I guess by the time take that off, they'll let them white ones start getting out a little bit.
Yes, Arnold, leave them alone. I mean, not Arnold. Lord, I hate having 2 male pigs.
What name?
What's his name? Not Arnold, but
Wilbur.
Wilbur. Yeah, if Wilbur would leave him alone.
Yeah.
Little Arnold just wants to get out of the way. All he wants to do is just eat if they'd leave him alone.
Yeah.
He's so cute. So if he's so little, he sure does strut.
Arnold.
Yeah.
He does.
He's cute.
Come right through that electric wire too. That worries me about it.
You know, but it's only when we're around.
Huh?
He stays in there with them most of the time.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, we was talking to the couple that we got the Wilbur and Freckles from, and they got one that gets out, stays around the place, goes back up at night. They said, didn't they?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't work. I can't keep guineas on the road. We may have lost 1 guinea due to a predator. Maybe 2. We've lost more to cars than anything. That one.
Yeah. Well, it's like they just run right out in front of the car. I mean, even my mule. When I'm, or Dan, when I'm riding up through there, they jump right out in front of it.
Yeah, we've had people tell us that they've done that, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's our biggest predator around here is cars. Should have brought Zosa. I knew it was raising.
You need me to go get it?
Well, maybe I can get it with this. Yeah, they don't have no sense when it comes to getting in the road.
No, they don't. Should put your old clothes on.
I don't fear getting no grease or nothing. It's just dust.
You can pick your sweater though, and that's a brand new sweater.
Dust. Okay. Ready this stuff will ride.
Do we have 2x4s, or are we gonna have to have?
Yeah, we're gonna have to have some. We'll have to go up there and get. These are the ones I bought. We just put, I guess, stuck those in there.
Probably. I don't know though. That goes with my swing.
Huh?
That goes with my swing. I don't think so.
They ain't no salt briars, you know it? Where do you want it at? You're going to have to get all this brush out of here, some of it.
I was hoping they'd eat it. Maggie, move!
What the hell? That's going to leak.
Just stick it back over there on that.
Yeah, they've been leaving that right there. They've been chewing on it.
Yeah, put it. Just lay it on that one over there. See, there's that 3 pile of them. Yeah, somewhere not in here. Probably working on this one. I think we need to have a little overhang in the front since we're not going to have a front on it. And that way, you know, if it has a little blowing rain, it won't blow right in on them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It'll work. do with the, I know I laid it down where I got done with it. Camera on?
Yes.
They filming us hog farming.
Yeah, there's one already pushing up again and trying to scratch.
Good call.
Huh?
I said that ain't gonna work. That's tall. I hate to cut a pallet just for that corner, you know. How many rounds has she made?
I don't know.
20?
Probably. She's still going.
Maggie.
Slow down, Maggie.
We're trying to put weight on you. You ain't helping none.
Nope.
All right, let's get this thing moving.
Okay.
We're gonna have to take the tractor, go up there and get some tuber for us. We probably need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 this way. Probably need at least 12 long ones going. We're gonna have to build it too high here so we'll have a little bit of slope on it. Now, how many things of plywood do you think we're gonna need, Kate?
I don't know, bud. See, this is what they do. They're foragers. And what there's an acorn tree right above their head, and
Yeah, it's kind of been hard on the squirrel.
yeah, needless to say, they're eating all the acorns. Squirrels won't have
we're gonna
any.
need 3 pieces. Oh, you gonna put how much overhang there? You gonna put?
Eat nuts. She must got her belly full on nuts. Oh, she's loud.
Twice.
Looking good. If I can get that on video. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear or not, but here's the Barbra Jean. I think we woke her up. She's camera shy. She's still breathing hard, but she's not snoring like she was. There she goes. You gotta put another one in the front. Across here.
That looks great.
Huh?
Yeah, we might put a 2x6 across the front to cap it together.
Oh, and underneath that plate, there's mushrooms. They may have to be heated back up. I don't know. Man. want those.
That's all I did, man. I went to.
Maggie, look at home. She was too good. Okay, ready? You going up with it?
All the way. We'll be better off turning this way. Let's do that.
Not this that way, isn't it?
What we do is kind of have a little hangover. We'll go away with it.
She is taking her nap.
Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. We ended up getting the roof on, and what happened was it got dark. It got so dark that the camera wouldn't video anymore. We are going to do a part 2 and probably some other video stuff because it won't be too long, but we're going to put a metal top on this thing, and then we're also going to wrap it so the wind and stuff will stay out of it. We've got to get that done. We just got so much going on with the house because we're trying to get the house. We're going to video some footage of that. We've about got it down to where gonna be finishing it up for long, we hope. Looking pretty good too. Y'all, we appreciate each and every one of you watching the videos. Can't thank you enough for that. And if you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate that also. And again, y'all, as we always say here on the Vista Acres, we love you and thank you for watching.